If you are over 30 and you are thinking that it is too late for you to start a YouTube channel, let me stop you right there. No, you are not too old. No, you have not missed the boat. And no, you do not have to be perfect to give people value. In fact, your age and your lack of perfectionism, that just might be your secret weapon. There is this weird unspoken idea that YouTube is only for people that are in their early 20s and they've got perfect skin and look beautiful and have loads and loads of free time. That YouTube is oversaturated, and because you didn't start your channel 10 years ago, you've missed your chance. But that's absolute nonsense. YouTube is not a platform exclusively for young people. YouTube is a value-driven platform. And there are literally millions of people on YouTube right now scrolling looking for videos from people like you who actually get what their life is like. They're not looking for some 19-year-old with a ring light and the perfect skincare routine, but a real person with a job, with kids, maybe some wrinkles, maybe they've got a mortgage. Having those sort of things isn't to your disadvantage. That is things that are relatable. If you're in your 30s, 40s, anything above that, you've got something that a lot of young people don't have, and that's perspective. You've lived a bit of life. You've probably failed a little bit along the way. You've probably worked hard jobs. You've probably raised kids. You've probably had to overcome real challenges in your life. That means the stories that you have to tell, the things that you have to teach, and the way that you show up, it comes with a depth that only time can give. You probably don't need as much external validation from people. You're not necessarily chasing that next viral trend. You're building something with intention and purpose, and that comes with a genuine desire to help people. That is powerful. And your audience, they can feel that. People can smell authenticity, and they're craving it. Put yourself in your viewer's shoes. Who are you more likely to trust? Some polished video in a perfect studio, or someone who actually just shows up and says, look, I'm doing my best here, but I've got something that can help you. There's never going to be a perfect time to start, but there's never been an easier time to start than right now. You don't need fancy gear. Your phone that you have in your pocket is all you really need. You don't have to be amazing at editing. You can learn that, but in the first instance, if you're making raw videos that are genuine, leave in the mistakes, leave in the pauses, leave in the loss of train of thought. It doesn't matter, because that is genuine and that's what people are looking for. And you don't have to chase going viral to be a success. Success comes with time and with regularly showing up, not from a single breakout video. It comes from showing up consistently and bringing something real. And the audience on YouTube is changing. People are over this whole perfect influencer talking about their perfect lives. What people want now is people like you, real people that are talking about real things that matter to them in a way that makes them feel seen and heard. Let me tell you something that took me way too long to learn. You don't have to be great to get started, but you do have to start in order to get great. Your first videos, they're going to feel awkward. You're not going to like how you sound, you're not going to like how you look. But the great news is it's normal, and that goes away. If you wait until everything is perfect, then you're never going to upload, because let's face it, perfect, it doesn't exist. But improvement over time is tried and tested. Look at any of your favorite YouTubers and look at their most recent video versus their very first video, and you'll see what I mean. But authenticity, that is magnetic. That is what is going to connect you with your audience. When someone sees you showing up every week, unpolished but motivated, that is what connects. That's what gets people thinking, hey, if this person can do it, maybe I can too. You can be an inspiration to others. And that is the start of real connection. YouTube rewards clarity, consistency, and connection, not age or flawless editing. Your job is not to impress, it's to serve. To create videos that help someone feel seen, to feel heard, understood, educated, or inspired. And trust me when I say this, there are people out there on YouTube waiting for someone with your perspective. And they're going to connect with you because you're talking to them like a real human. It's that person-to-person connection. You think like they think. You've lived through some of the stuff that they're living through right now. So don't hide behind the excuse of it's too late for me to start, because that's not just false, it's also selfish. When you don't share what you know, then someone else is missing out. So if you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, and you've been thinking about starting a channel and haven't done it yet, then this is for you. This is your sign to start. Don't waste another day. Start laying the foundations down now. Think about what you want to talk about. Use ChatGPT to help you come up with an agenda for the different topics you want to cover in your videos. And then just set your phone up, hit record, and start talking. That's the first step. Don't let perfection hold you back. Don't let your age define your lane. Show up exactly as you are now. Because the real you, that imperfect, experienced, unpolished version of you, That is what your viewer wants. And that is exactly what YouTube needs more of. Take it from me, from someone who's done this now for 3 months. Once you start, you will not look back. And you will get more comfortable as you go. You don't have anything to prove to anyone other than yourself. Do me a favour and drop a comment on this video. If you're comfortable, tell me what your age is. What are you wanting to make videos about? I will read and reply to every comment and give you some words of encouragement to help get you started. And if this has helped you in some way, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel, because I've got lots more content coming that are just for creators like you. Let's build something real together. Have a great day, an even better week, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.